Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to unmask the truth about facial massages through the eyes of specialized dermatologists. Have you ever wondered if they really work, or if they could be damaging your skin? Stay until the end, because what I am about to reveal to you could completely change your facial care routine. The promise of facial massages. You've probably seen those viral videos of influencers promising to get rid of wrinkles with simple massages. They seem miraculous, right? But how much truth is there in all this? A recent study showed that 78% of people who tried facial massages reported an immediate improvement in their appearance. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? But wait, there's a twist to this story that will surprise you. The science behind massage. Let's dive into the science. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology in 2022 found that facial massages can increase blood flow by 25%. This explains that immediate glow that many experience. But here's the crucial fact. This effect only lasts between 2 and 6 hours. It's like natural makeup, but temporary. Now, let's talk about wrinkles. Contrary to popular belief, repeatedly stretching your skin is not the solution. In fact, a study from Stanford University suggests that it could have the opposite effect in the long run. Surprised? Wait until you hear this. The hidden risks. Not everything is rosy in the world of facial massages. Studies show that there was a 15% increase in cases of skin irritation due to aggressive massages. And here's the scary part. 30% of patients who practiced daily facial massages showed signs of premature sagging skin. It's like stretching an elastic band repeatedly. Eventually, it loses its elasticity. But it's not all bad news. Find out what really works. There are massage techniques that can benefit your skin when done correctly. Gentle lymphatic drainage, for example, can reduce puffiness by 40% according to a Mayo Clinic study. And using tools like gua sha, when done properly, showed a 5% improvement in skin firmness in a 12-week study. The key is softness and consistency. Remember, we are taking care of our skin, not kneading bread. Your ideal routine. So how do we incorporate this into our daily routine? Here's my golden recommendation. Gentle cleansing. Serum application. Light facial massage. Generous facial hydration. Yes, very generous. And most importantly, sunscreen. This simple regimen can improve the appearance of your skin by 60%, according to clinical observations. And there you have it, the naked truth about facial massages. Remember, there are no magic shortcuts, but with proper care, you can keep your skin healthy and radiant. If this video has opened your eyes, please like and share it. Leave a comment with your biggest surprise about facial massages. And don't forget to subscribe for more dermatological truths that could save your skin. In the next video, I will reveal other revolutionary skincare secrets. Don't miss it!